I want to know about the last minute dash for Matt. So what kind of crazy stuff did you have to go through to make it here on a Monday?
Fighting the weather.
Yeah.
We was planning on being down here Sunday and yesterday, and then a buddy of mine that I was going to meet up with, he got snow yesterday and I had rain, so we left at 2 o'clock this morning to come down.
Oh boy, where'd you come from?
Pennsylvania.
Okay, right on. What's your name?
Rich Rorneman.
What class are you competing in?
Working class.
Nice, working man. What year's the truck?
22.
Well, I'll be looking for you. Good luck, and we'll see how you do. We'll check on you throughout the week. What are some of the other things that you had to do to get the truck ready?
I had it polished the other day by Adam Day up in Sharpsville, Indiana. Got the trailer done and got all the hard stuff done. Today's just getting it all cleaned up and show ready.
All right, cool. What class are you competing in?
Working class.
Very cool. What year's the truck?
21.
All right, how many miles?
98,000.
Jason, who do you got over here on the grill taking care of business there?
This is my fiance, Ashley.
All right. Ash is over there taking care of the grill.
She's the boss.
Yeah. Very cool.
Just drives, I'm the boss.
That's right.
Well, it's looking good. The both of you guys got it looking good.
Appreciate it.
All right, good luck to the both of you.
Thank you.
We had to install a T-bumper. Had a boy come by the house and cut and wax my wheels real quick, do the hard work. And then we're just doing the finishing touches, the easy stuff today.
Okay.
And just wiping everything down and doing the last minute touch-up.
So what class are you guys competing in?
Working combo light class.
All right, cool. How many miles you got on the truck?
943,000.
All right, what year?
2011.
Well, I'm glad you're here on a Monday, and good luck.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you. So we're looking at this buggy. This is the showstopper right here, this custom buggy. What year is this buggy, sir?
This is a 2021.
Nice. Who makes this?
It's all custom made back home.
What are the things that you have to do to where you feel that it's going to be ready?
Being that we work it every week, there's a lot of grease and stuff like that, and I just want it to be perfect. When we come here, I want it, being that we work it, we can't compete with those guys over there, but I want to make it as close as we can to what those boys have.
Okay, got it. Actually, point out some grease. I want to know. So that way when I come back here in a couple of days, it's only Monday, so when I come back in a couple of days, I can see if you guys did a good job.
We got some grease on the ball joints, and just all the little hidden nooks and crannies. I mean, behind the steering box, and pretty much all the little areas that you don't want it to be in. It's probably going to be there.
Okay. Is there a way that you test to know that it's clean enough?
Wash your hands and rub on it.
Yeah. Okay. So the wife's not walking around with a white finger glove or anything like that, or?
Not yet, but you give her another day or so and she just might.
All right, right. All right, cool. All right, man, good luck.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Well, we fabricated a couple of custom pieces that we were finishing up. Mostly it was paint correction, things like that, touching up some stuff. Just making sure that we could get everything prepped and as neat as we could before we drove down here. That was the biggest thing. We got all the aluminum and stainless, everything we got polished. On my way home from the Peterbilt show in Denton, I was up in Iowa and a car lost control in front of me and spun into my lane, and I hit it in the right front here. Everything on the right front, and the charge air cooler, the bumper, the fender, side of the hood, the grill crown, the grill, all that. Basically everything in this corner got damaged. So yeah, we ended up having to get all that stuff replaced just before fall, and I got the truck back the week of Christmas. I got it back. So yeah, that sucked. I didn't need that.
I honestly didn't know. No one does. I honestly didn't know what happened. And when I was walking up looking at it, I had to really ask because it was kind of like a bad nightmare. Like, oh, that didn't happen, because look at it now. It's just like it was when I saw it in Florida and everywhere else.
Yeah, TA Truck Painting, they put it back together exactly how they did the first time, and yeah, you can't tell. They did a great job, and they took care of me. And Roadworks, stamped out a grill like record time. 12 gauge made a new bumper. All the people that supplied the parts originally, whenever their stuff got damaged, they were right there on the spot to get new parts again, make sure we were ready to go. So I can't thank all those people enough, because that when you have custom parts, especially in this economy and in this world we're living in now, you don't know when you're going to get replacement of anything, you know.
Yes.
When it's a one-off piece, that makes it even worse, you know. And so these places stepped up big for me.
Very
and
nice.
got the parts, and we got everything put back together, and now it's like it never happened.
Awesome. That's great. Now, I got distracted here for a second. Nikolai's behind the camera. Nikolai, can you pan down and get a shot of this? What's on the ground down here? Let me know when you got that in the shot. So, you know, what's going on down here, this mat, you know? You see that? So are we gonna shine that up and put some glitter on that, or what? What's gonna go on with that?
Well, we've got a couple of little ideas we're gonna do with that, just to, you know, try to accent our whole showpiece. Obviously, with the rain coming tomorrow, we're gonna hold off, but we wanted to get parked on it, and you know, that way we don't drag any mud or anything on it trying to get on it. And
Okay. Sounds like you don't want to spill the beans just yet.
not just yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Todd next door, he keeps trying to copy everything, so I got to make sure we keep it on the DL, because otherwise he's just gonna do it quick, you know.
Yeah,
So
yeah, I hear you. Yeah, and then you got another competitor here next to you. So
yeah, we ain't worried about the tri-state guys at all. They really, I mean,
they're pulled forward, like they're gonna like roll something out and back over the top of
well, I think they're more worried about building their house back here than they are on their trucks. So,
Is that what the hammering is going on over here?
It's Habitat for Humanity Tri-State Edition.
We gotta get a shot of that.
Yeah, so they're over here, and it's going to be a dance floor for all of his employees. You know, because I mean, they didn't really bring a truck to compete, but they're going to have a real nice floor.
All right, we'll get a shot of that. All right, man. Thanks
Right
for taking a minute.
Yeah.
Can we speak to the general contractor on this job? It's, you know,
the guy with the idea guy.
yeah.
That's Steve, and we don't know where he's at, so we're doing all the work.
That's next in charge right there.
Yeah, that's old Diller right there.
A lot of finger pointing going on over here. What are you guys into? Well, it's kind of obvious, but tell us about what you're working on here.
We're gonna put this floor down, put both seats back on it, and hope that the floor holds.
Yeah. Is that
How about that?
I think I might have to come back for that part, huh?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys.
Thank you, bud.
Mr. Gribble, how are you?
Good. How are you, Chris?
Doing good. So, I was talking with some of the guys here. It's a Monday afternoon, going into evening. You know, I was curious to know what sort of last-minute things you guys had to do to get her on a Monday. Any sort of Hail Marys you had to pull off to be here or anything like that?
Yeah, we polished her for 2 weeks, about 2.5 weeks before we got here. We was very fortunate. We had good weather coming down today, but you got bugs, dust, road debris. I mean, just like Don Wood said, you got to wipe everything from top to bottom, inside out, everything.
Yeah.
And missed a lot of work doing it.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
Where'd you drive from?
I came from Somerset, Pennsylvania,
Okay, right on.
up around Pittsburgh.
Okay. Well, it's looking good, and I mean, we got a couple of days yet before Rags down, so good luck. Good luck on everything.
Thanks, Chris.
All right, we'll see you.
You have a good day.
All right, you too.
Uh-huh.